So for this look, what we've done is went in with probably about a number 5 guard, or you can even use a 6 all the way throughout the sides and the back, throughout the bottom here, and also, on this side obviously as well. Then blend it in by hand up to about right in through here, working into the corners here on both sides, so where it's about, I'd say, 1.5 inches long, right in through the corners. Then in through the top here, we went 1.5 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 3, and probably about 4 inches or so right into the very, very front here, enough to where you can kind of slick it back and slick it over. Then added some texture to the top just by chipping into it a little bit, and basically you've got this style. Now for styling it, what I'm going to do is you want to just blow dry it over, coming this way, and then you can use a little bit of a dry paste to finish it. Alright, so as you can see, I put the styling paste in it. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when it's finished like this. As you can see, I have it kind of coming over this way a little bit. You work it forward this way with your hands. Same thing, you want to work this down on this side, and then just kind of brush this back over. The top here, just kind of use your hands to just work this down so it lays flat, and you are good to go.